present, there are many types of LCD screen laser machines on the market, and the main function is to repair damaged LCD cables with laser energy. If the laser has been adjusted to a reasonably applicable frequency and energy value, then our focus is on how to find the position of the damaged line, and how to determine whether the damaged point of the line can be repaired. To this end, we specially made this document video to facilitate the learning and communication of maintenance workers who use our Tong-Ren laser machine. This is a special scale made by our Tong-Ren technology based on the wiring data. It is very convenient to help us find the line for the position of the illumination line. This time, let's take the iPhone 12 Pro Max as an example. Explain to you how to find the damaged wiring position. Next is the key point. The different colors below represent different areas. Power supply area, pixel area, touch area, GND. If a bright line appears on the screen, how to look at the corresponding value? We put the ruler on it. If it is placed like this, the ruler should be read from right to left. The scale here is between 1943 and 2036, about 1989. Here, you need to take notes. Each large scale on the ruler is 92. Each large scale is 5 grids, 92 divided by 5 equals 18.4. Each small scale is 18.4. In this way, we can estimate the value of the line position. Our Tong-Ren technicians have calculated the data of various models. Friends who have learned our Tong-Ren laser machine, please contact us to collect it. iPhone 12 Pro Max has 6 pixel areas. The wiring data is as follows. 11, 270, 2, 271-574, 3, 575, 13004, 1301-2018, 5, 2019 to 2322, 6, 2323, 2592. After calculating the position of the bright line, we fix the screen on the console through the movement of X, Y and Z axes with 10 times and 50 times objective lenses. Quick viewing and laser welding can be implemented. The 10 times objective lens can enlarge the line 100 times. Usually, we use it to find the line quickly. The 50 times objective lens can be enlarged to 500 times. Usually, we use it to observe the details. It is conducive to precise welding repair. Can't see from the distribution law of the line. Usually, there are power supply areas at both ends of the screen. There are touch areas on both sides in the middle. The ground line is relatively thick. Understanding these points, it is not difficult for us to find the line. So far, we would like to add one more to the above. Regarding the mobile phone screen, some have 6 pixel areas and some have 4 pixels. It also includes the power supply area, touch area and ground line. Put it under the 10 times objective lens. You can see it clearly. Line. You are half close to success. As long as you learn more ways to find the line, I believe you will be proficient soon. Laser repair is a skill that requires continuous proficiency and enhancement. Only through more practice can we easily control it. In the same type of products, the repair rate of Tong-Ren laser machine is relatively high, and it is stable and does not rebound. This has been given back by the market. The following screens cannot be perfectly repaired. Some screens that have been repaired by other lasers. 2. Part of the wiring material itself is not good. 3. The damage and fracture of the wiring is relatively large. 4. The 2 points on the line are too connected. The lower version of SMAX.